Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Thank you so much for stopping by to the team brand. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing by hitting on that red subscribe button. Today I'm in one of the very beautiful places here in Doha called the Box Park. For those who don't know, the Box Park is just located in Corniche. Just on your way to Corniche, you'll see it somewhere there. So it's a very interesting place. My very first time coming here, and I really wanted to come here for a very long time, but I've not got that chance. So let me just take you through the quick tour of this place. It looks amazingly very romantic. You can check it out and tell me, is it interesting? Take a look. And there are very few people. Mostly it's consisted of shops and restaurants and fast food restaurants, and I can see even bank, and I even saw the floating floating supermarket. One of them is here. So let me take you through, guys, and I hope you're going to enjoy. Guys, the place is pretty still new, and people are like coming in to see the place. Guys, the place is just still very new. Like mostly hakuna watu wengi. Most shops are just even not occupied. So I think it's the best place to come and chill out if you have a friend or have a couple, you know, because the place honestly looks very beautiful, and it's well located in a nice place. You can see a lot of things. Also, you can hire even this jet skis and all those things and have fun. So I think if you really want to come to Doha and have fun, this is the best place for you to come and do it. See, just look at my background. Everything is really amazingly very beautiful. If you want to have a clear view of Doha without any doubt, it is the best place to come. Just look behind me, and that view, that background, I think is one of the most beautiful places I've just visited here in Doha. Just take a look at that, guys. It's really very romantic. Yo guys, I'm almost concluding my evening walk here in the Box Park. How do you think so far? How do the place look? One of the most romantic places in Doha. But most places are not yet complete. You can see maybe they want to add some structures. Upstairs too is not complete. And it's not a crowded place, to be honest. Less people, less movement, less activities happening. But I guess wakifungua, most things will happen. And the floating supermarket Almira. I thought ilikuwa place ingine like towards the sea, but it's just here in the Box Park. Let me turn the camera and you see. There it goes, the floating supermarket in Doha. It's Almira. Let me try to zoom in and you see it. It's located near the container stadium. Container stadium is just there, and the Almira floating supermarket is just right beside me here. So you can see Doha is really beautiful, to be honest. And so guys, as I conclude also my video, I would like to plead you to subscribe. Kindly subscribe by hitting on that red subscribe button. Like our video, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That is the only way you're going to be notified each time we post a new video. So we have concluded our tour in the Box Park here in Doha, Qatar, and I'm just heading home. See you.
strangest thing. It's shorter than you think.